All right, so we've learned two different rules. One of the rules is if you have terms with the same base, but different exponents, what do we do with the exponents?
Well, don't we like do exponents and we do the exponents first? So like we would like put them in.
Yeah, that's true. But we're talking about the rules of exponents. Are we gonna? So if we're multiplying,
If you multiply the monomials, don't you add the exponents?
yes, you do. That's exactly right. Whereas if we are taking Whereas if we are taking a term to a power, then you're going to multiply those exponents. So right now, are we multiplying things with a common base, or are we taking a monomial to another power?
It's going to the like a common base.
Right, common base. So that's when you're going to add the exponents. So x to the fourth times x to the seventh is x to the
11. X to the 11.
There you go, x to the 11th. So in this case, we have a different situation because we have a term that has an exponent, and we're taking that exponent to another exponent. And that's when we will multiply the exponents together. So notice when you have an exponent right outside of the parentheses, that's when we're going to multiply them. So x to the fourth to the seventh power is going to be x to the which power?
The 28th power?
It will be the 28th power, yes. How about if we have x to the seventh to the fourth power?
Also the 28th power? Also, yeah.
Yeah, so those are equivalent statements. So are there questions on this problem?
Well, no, but so basically if there's a parentheses like in front of like another exponent, then you just multiply, but if it's just not, then you just add. So the parentheses tells whether to multiply or not.
Yes. The one thing that you do need to pay attention to, though, that neither of these examples had, is if you have a number, so like this 2 will be taken to the 6th power. So that would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. If I don't have 6, I'm sorry there. So these rules apply to the exponents, not the plain old numbers that may also be there as well. Does that make sense so far?
Yes.
Okay, and I'll be making more videos throughout the day, and I'll post them all in the algebra sheet folder, okay?